A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's start the chapter of number 4 of Geography Climate of class 9th. In this chapter, we will discuss about some topics like factors influencing the climate, monsoon, its characteristics, rainfall and temperature distribution, and seasons, and climate and human life. What is the objective? To identify the various factors influencing the climate and explain the climatic variation of our country and its impact on the life of the people. And second objective is to explain the importance and unifying of role of monsoons. So let's start up from the weather and the climate. Its definition. What is weather? It can be defined as the atmospheric condition at a given place and at a given time. And on the other hand, climate can be defined as the sum of the weather conditions of large area over a long period. So these are the two definitions. Weather is for short term and climate is for long term. Weather changes hour to hour, day to day, but climate do not change in day to day. There are some elements, basic elements of both climate and weather. These are same for climate and weather. Which are the basic elements like temperature, humidity, precipitation? These are the basic elements given here. These are temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, sunshine, pressure and winds. These are the important elements of weather and climate. Now let's talk about the climate of India. Climate of India is described as of monsoon type. Word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, and it refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction through the year. And this type of climate is found mainly in South and Southeast Asia. Despite an overall unity and commonality in the general pattern, there are precipitable regional variation in the climatic conditions within the country. Means there are some variations within the country from place to place, like the temperature touches as the high as 50 degrees Celsius in the western desert during summer season, and it drops down as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius in late during the winter season. And similarly, there are variations which are not noticeable not only in the type of the precipitation but also in its amount also. Which are the types? While precipitation is important in the form of snowfall in the upper parts, means in upper parts it is in the form of snowfall, and it rains over the rest of the country. Next is the amount of precipitation varies from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Means precipitation amount is also varies from Meghalaya to Rajasthan. In Meghalaya it is 400 centimeter, and in Ladakh and western Rajasthan it is 10 centimeter only. And most parts of the country receives rainfall from June to September, and except parts of the Tamil Nadu, coast which gets most of the rain during October to November. Means most part receive rainfall in summer season, while in Tamil Nadu there is rainfall in the winter season. Now there are some characteristics of monsoon climate. What are the characteristics? These are the first is the seasonal reversal of wind direction throughout the year. The seasonal reversal of wind direction throughout the year. And second is cool and dry winter, whereas hot and dry summer. Winters are cool and dry and summers are hot and dry. And seasonal rainfall lasting up to 3 months. And the monsoons are experienced in the tropical areas roughly between 20° north and 20° south. Now we will discuss about the climatic controls. Which are the climatic controls? These are like latitudes, altitudes, pressure and winds, distance from the sea, ocean currents, direction of mountain ranges. We will explain it thoroughly in our next video. Till then, thank you from my side and have a nice day.